Yo! This video is going to talk about how to attract girls in school ethically. I have studied psychology for over a decade and have had great success in my own dating life. This video will tell you the steps you need to take to attract girls in school. My name's Ryan Long and this is the Unleashing Potential channel. Subscribe and hit that bell to not miss out on psychology videos to unleash your potential. Attracting girls in school is different than in the workplace since the women tend to be much younger. The big difference between women who are older and women who are younger is that younger women put a lot less emphasis on actual success and achievement. It is much easier for a 2.0 student in high school or undergrad to attract women his age since personal success isn't as important. Women who are older, especially 25 and above, tend to put a lot more emphasis on being with a man who has achieved personal financial success since they need someone who can support the future children and the family financially. As a male in school, having social proof is pretty important during this time. It is important in grad school and work life, but it is more important during undergrad and high school. I recommend being very social with people and having people like you if you want women. Women in this age range are particularly attracted to popular guys. Have you ever seen the popular guy in school get the girl? That's because he is well known and liked by a lot of people. The next thing you need to focus on is clothing. Girls in school are more artificial than more mature women and unfortunately will judge a guy more based on their clothing. The best place to shop at to look good without breaking the bank is H&M, Zara, and Old Navy. This will get you designer-like clothes that look great at an affordable price. The next step is to learn how to read subconscious signs of attraction now. Click above to see my video on that. The next way to attract girls in school is to actually socialize with the girl you like. If the girl you like sits in your class, then try to do a study group with her. This way, you can find out more about her, spend time with her, and it doesn't seem suspicious at all. You may end up finding out that she isn't your type and save you some wasted time of dating her. Be careful though. If you are doing study groups with her, please do not make it obvious that you like her. That means no staring at her or drooling, please. This will kill your chances of being with her. The next step to attract girls in school is to make her laugh. After all, if you two are dating, you'd want to be able to make her laugh. Find out what similarities you two have in common and try to make jokes about that. Be careful not to turn into that clown though who makes everyone laugh but never gets the girl. The next big step to attract girls in school is to finally get that first date with the girl you like. After she is comfortable going to study groups with you, I would recommend inviting her to go somewhere fun with just the two of you guys. This could be roller skating, ice skating, theme parks, etc. The key thing though is to keep it light and fun. If she had a great time with just the two of you and you didn't display any neediness throughout the relationship, then getting that second date should be as easy as just inviting her to go somewhere with just the two of you somewhere else that is fun. This is a follow-up video on how to attract girls for love. Click above to see. If you learned something new about how to attract girls in school from today's video, then make sure to subscribe to the Unleashing Potential channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Now, I want to turn it over to you. What new fact did you learn about today about how to attract girls in school ethically? Is it A, younger girls emphasize social status more than older women, or B, making a girl laugh is very important? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now. Click above to check out the next video.